Good morning. Hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Happy Friday. It's Freebie Friday. We got $20 to play with on Freebie Friday. But before I go ahead and do so, if you're new here, welcome. I am so excited to have you here, and everybody else that has been here a while, welcome also. So Freebie Friday, you guys, we play this every Friday, hopefully with 20, 25 dollars here and there, but hey, for sure always 20. But before we go ahead and get started, you guys, we're gonna do our little July monthly saving challenge. Last night, you guys, well, yesterday, not last night, yesterday on my break, I did the one for next month, and it's my favorite colors. You guys already know, you will see. So yeah, but anyways, we are trying to see how much money we can save together. You can roll with me and save the same amount, or you can roll yourself, but every month, every day, we'll be doing this. And we're adding $3. Hey, that is a good amount. All right, so $3 going in there. Today is Friday, the 18th. OMG. Okay, I might have to condense. Oh no, I have $3. Look at that, $3. Ooh, you guys, I cannot wait. We're almost done with this month. Can you believe that? 2 more days and this week is over, and then we got a week and a half left. Oh my gosh, we just started July. What's going on? Like, for real, what is going on? Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Okay, let's go ahead and put those $3 in here. All right, $3 going in there. Can't wait to see how much we're gonna save at the end of this month. Oh my goodness. Yes, so you follow me on Instagram, guys. I post a lot more on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram so you stay tuned or stay up to date to my craziness in there. All right, so let's play Freebie Friday, shall we? All right, let's get those saving challenges out the way and let's see how it goes. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see. I know there's not a challenge that I'm gonna be done, or who knows, you never know, right? But at least we're gonna be making progress. Are you guys excited that the weekend is here? Are you guys doing anything fun for the weekend? Let me know. Oh my gosh, yes, this one is almost done. I only need $1. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, we're definitely gonna finish that. Let me know, are you doing anything for the weekend? I am not doing anything for the weekend besides maybe going to go buy Eric's clothes for back to school, and that's about it because Alex works. But I am excited that I will be having a 3-day weekend. I never had a 3-day weekend like that with work, but the way how it worked out, I think it's just perfect. I'm excited, but at the same time I'm a little bit upset because I won't be making money for Sunday. I'm only missing out on Sunday, but still, that's extra money towards my cash stuffing Tuesday. I may have money, I may not have money for cash stuffing Tuesday, and if I do, it's not gonna be probably more than $100. But hey, you know what? I said screw it. I'm gonna still do a cash stuffing Tuesday, even if it's $100, because small amounts adds up, and that's my journey. Oh, Dylan woke up, so give me 1 second, guys. Yes, Dylan. Yes, Dylan. Hold on, guys. I am back. Let's hope he doesn't wake up again. But then again, you never know, right? Sorry about that truck. So we have a Reynolds budgets, Kia B budgets, Taylor, a little bit of it all, me budgeting my debt, and the cafecito budget. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and everybody's gonna get a little bit of love. Let's see how it goes, you guys. $20, and let's roll. We're starting off with number 4, number 5, 5 again, number 4, number 2. I better get a 1. I better get a 1. Number 3, because I only need $1 to finish number 1. 2, I usually never cheat, but if I don't get number one and I have $1 left over, I'm gonna put it in there, because I'm not about to do that. I never cheat, but hey, that'll be the only time I'll be able to cheat, because man, you are kidding me. Oh, there we go. See? We have completed that one. Yes. All right, guys. So last night we were watching Medea, the new movie that just dropped. And oh my gosh, I love it. I love watching Medea, you guys. It's just hilarious. So funny. Number 3. Let me know if you guys have watched that movie yet. I think it just dropped not that long ago. And yeah. Number 6. And last money goes to number 3. Okay, are you guys ready to see how we did? Oh my goodness, let's see. I'm excited. Okay. There's that. You guys, I'm so excited that my supplies are gonna be here tomorrow, so I can work on two Etsy order, I believe. 2 Etsy order, and work on something for Gigi. All right, so this one got $2 and no leftovers, so that's amazing. We get to scratch that out the way. So, and this is not going towards anything, but you know what, I'm gonna do Christmas, because I feel like I'm a little bit behind on Christmas, so I'm gonna do Christmas for that. Okay, $2 at a time adds up. You're probably gonna get tired of me, but ooh, that did not sound good, but it's true. Money adds up, guys. All right, next we got this one right here. This is for $5. We do have a leftover, but we have $1, $2, $3, $4. Okay, let's see how much we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, that's $5. So we do get to exit 1 out the way, and we're gonna have $3 left over for the next one. OMG. All right, so let's X this out. There we go. And this is not going towards nothing, so you know what, it is what it is. Right now it's gonna go to Christmas. It may seem like everything is going towards Christmas, but hey, it's okay. It's all good. Okay, so there's that. All right, next, this one right here. We did get, let's see. Ooh, we got it to good amount. All right, so we got $1, $2, $3, $4, and each little cloud is $3. And look, there's $1 left over. So let's see, we got 1, 2, 3. So we can only do 1, but we're close for the next one. We only need 1 more. So hey, that's exciting. And this is going towards my glasses / exam. So not bad. Oh my goodness, we're getting there, almost there. All right, so those $2 left over for the next one. Now we have to scratch off. Oh, this is scary at the same time, but you know, it is what it is. We only have $1 left over, and we need 10. I like this though. I really do enjoy it like that. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have $5, you guys. We need 6 more, right? Yeah, 6 more dollars, and then we can move on to the next one. So not today. All right, next is this one right here. We do not have any left over. Okay, no leftover, but we got $1, $2, $3. And what do we need? Oh, we still have a turtle, so we cannot move on to the next one. We cannot move on to the next one. So we need 3 more, because each turtle is $6. Okay, and last but not least, you guys, oh my gosh, we have completed this one. I only needed $1, and we got $3. So hey, oh my gosh. Okay, so let's X that out the way. All right, so we have officially completed this, and this is going towards my debt. So that's amazing. Oh my gosh, let's count. let's count together how much money is going towards my debt. Oh my gosh, for some reason I saw this being $100 right now. Like, girl, you tripping. I really thought it was $100. I was like, oh yes, but no. All right, let's see. 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Oh my gosh. Yes, 77 going towards my debt. Yep, you heard that. Oh my gosh. We've been playing with that one for a while now. Maybe like, what, 2 months or so? But hey, it's okay. All right, so we got $2 and I already have my next one. We're doing this one right here. And, ooh, I didn't write on it. So let's see. What should this go towards? You know what? It's going to go towards my car. Because I need to add a little bit more towards my car. So it's going towards my car. We're not going to complete anything because I want to do the highest number, and it's a 4. So we only got $2. We need $2 more to exit out that 4. You can get this on my Ko-Fi, guys. So yeah, so there you have it. Oh my gosh, that is your Freebie Friday. Oh my goodness, we did good. All right, guys, I will see you back again tomorrow for our holiday binder. If I'm not mistaken, tomorrow is Christmas. Oh my gosh, Christmas in July. I love Christmas. I love Halloween too. I love both of them. I like Christmas more than Halloween, but I like both. Okay, let me actually check. Hold on, give me 1 second, because the only way I will know is the money that I have in here. How much? 15. Nope. So it's not this one. So yeah, tomorrow we're gonna be doing Christmas. So I hope to see you guys back again tomorrow for Christmas. Yep, it's Christmas. All right, so thank you so much for spending your time with me. You know your time is precious, and thank you for choosing that precious time on me. And I see you guys back again tomorrow. Have a great Friday, you guys, and thank you for the love and support. You guys are amazing, and I love you guys. Adios.